Hello friends, today we will see how to install gitk on Ubuntu 20.04. So first of all, run that command sudo apt get update to update your all repositories. Enter your password, then wait till all your repositories getting update. So now enter the command sudo apt get install git. Now don't forget to enter that dash between apt and get. So this will install the git on your system 20.04. Now as I already have git, so let's check the version of git that you have just installed. So just type that command git -- version. It will show you the current version of git that you installed, 2.31.1. So that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. See you in next video. Bye bye.